Hello everyone, welcome to Coder Buddy YouTube channel. As we are solving LeetCode easy problems with the help of Java language. So this is our fourth problem we are solving. So let's switch to a problem. So this fourth problem is a like valid parenthesis. So in this we have to check the parenthesis given it is in the valid form or not. Means we can understand this on the paint. Like we can take this example. If we are having this opening circular bracket, then we are having closing circular bracket, then it is matching, and after that we are having opening square bracket and closing square bracket, and opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Then it is like opening brackets are equal to the closing braces in the same manner in which opening braces are having as in the same manner closing braces are there. So we'll be having a true in this. So these are the valid parenthesis order. Okay, so basically to solve these type of questions we use stack. If we get a opening any opening braces, then we push it in the stack. If we get a closing bracket, then we will pop it. If it is not in the order, we will directly return it as a false. Okay, so for this we can use like now we are having opening bracket, so we can push it. Then we are having closing bracket, then we will check it by using stack pick method. If it is matching, then we will pop it. Then we are having opening square braces, then after that we are having closing square brace. If it is matching, then we will pop it again. Same for the curly braces. In this case, in the second example, we are having opening circular brace. After that we are having closing circular brace. So while popping, we will check the opening circular brace is not equal to the not valid for the closing circular brace, so we will return it as a false. Same in this case, we will in this we are having 3 opening braces and 3 closing braces, but order is not matching. So we will be pushing curly brace first. After that we will be pushing circular brace. Then we are getting square brace after that. But for in the case of closing braces, we are getting circular brace first. But while going for the pop, we are having square brace at the first. So this is not the valid parenthesis order. So we will return a false in this case. Okay, so we will be using stack for this, and to put the particular opening brace attached to a particular closing brace, we will use a hash map for this in the key value pair. Okay, so let's switch to a coding side. We will get a more clear idea there only. Okay, so first I will be using a stack of characters. New stack. And we will be using, as discussed, hash map here, in which we will be having character as a key, which will be closing braces, and character as a value, which will be values. Okay, so first we will fill this hash map with the all 3 braces. So like for the closing brace key, we will be having value as equivalent to opening brace. Same for rest 2 braces. For the closing square brace, we will be having value as a opening brace. And for the closing curly brace, we will be having value as a opening curly brace. Okay, so now we've filled our hash map. Now we have to iterate over the string and just to fill our stack as we are getting opening braces, and if we get a closing brace, then we have to pop it. So I will be starting int I from 0, and we will end it at as dot length and I plus plus. Done. Now first we will check it is opening braces or not. If it is opening bracket, then we will add it in the stack. We will push it in the stack. So in the opening braces we could have this. Can be a square opening brace, and third chance can be a curly opening brace. Yeah, if it is in the character is matching with these three, then add it in the. Then we will be rather than add, we can use a push directly. Okay. Else, if it is not a opening brace, then we can go with else. Now we have to check if it is zeroth character or not. If the closing brace is coming at the zeroth character directly, then we can say it is not a valid parenthesis. If I is equal to 0, and one more condition we can validate, like if stack is empty and if we do have a closing brace, then it is also not a valid parenthesis. Then we will be returning directly false in this case. Okay. Else, if not these two conditions, then check if stack's peak character means opening brace is a particular opening brace which for which we are having a closing brace. Dot caret I. If it is matching, means we are having circular closing brace, and at the peak we are having opening circular brace, then just pop it. Same for circular, square and curly brace. Else, if it is also not the case, there means brace is not matching, means at the eye we are having a circular brace, and if at the peak we are having square brace or curly brace, like that condition, we can return directly false. Okay, this can be the all the conditions. We are checking boundary conditions, so let's run it. Check if any compiler error there. Okay, we didn't added any missing statement. Okay, we didn't add a return statement here. Okay, so we can check here, like if stack is empty, in this case we can return true, otherwise we have to return false. This will be like after iterating all over the string. If your stack is empty, then means all opening braces are popped out because of all the proper ordered closing braces. Then your stack will get empty. That time you can return it as a true. Otherwise, if stack is not empty, if any opening brace is remaining there, then we can return it as a false. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, it's accepted. Let's submit it. Okay, it's working fine. Thank you.